Hi! Today we're going to build a snow volcano to demonstrate how to change the state of matter using a chemical reaction. First, what is matter? Well, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. There are three states of matter: solid matter, like bricks or ice; liquid matter, like water; and gas matter, like steam. Now, you can change the state of matter using heat, boiling it or melting it, using cold, freezing it, or like we're going to do today, a chemical reaction. So you're going to need some baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, food coloring, water, snow, a measuring cup, a measuring spoon, and a stir spoon. And since this is a chemical reaction, you will need your parents' permission. So let's go to the lab.
Okay, so here we are, ready to change the state of matter. You know what? This is going to be fun, so I'm going to ask for a little bit of help. Let me introduce you to my first lab assistant, Christopher. Hey Christopher, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
It's kind of chilly.
Yeah, it is.
You ready to change the state of matter?
Heck yeah.
You know what? I think we need a little bit more help. Let me bring out my second assistant, Joshua. Hey Josh, how you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Are you ready to change the state of matter using a chemical experiment? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Well, you know what? First we need a container. So we have our containers. I have a glass. What do you have, Chris?
I have a mason jar.
What do you have, Josh?
A mug.
Okay, so you get your containers. You alright? First thing we're going to add to our containers is our base. Now remember, our base is baking soda, which is the solid matter. So, baking soda. So we got our baking soda. What you want to do is you want to fill your container up about halfway with the baking soda. So go ahead and just dump it in there. That looks good.
That looks good.
And let's add a little bit more into yours.
That looks good.
All right. The next thing that we're going to add is the dish soap. Dish soap. Now you want to use about 2 tablespoons of dish soap into your glass. The dish soap is not necessary for the chemical reaction. All it does is make it easier to see the gas that we're going to create. Makes it bubbly. Do you guys know what comes next?
Boiling water?
The warm water. You want to use about 1/4 cup of warm water and just pour it in there. Now we're going to add the food coloring. Food coloring is not necessary for our chemical reaction, but it's going to make the bubbles easier to see. We're looking for the bubbles here. I'm using purple.
I'm using green.
I'm using blue.
All right. You add as much as you want to. The more food coloring you add, the darker your bubbles will be. Now we want to stir it up. So we need our stir sticks. Okay, you take your stir stick and you stir it up as best as you can. What you want to do is make a little hole in the snow. By the way, this is why we have our gloves on. And then build the snow up around your glass.
These gloves aren't meant for touching snow. It's meant for this.
Wait, hold on. Aren't we missing something though? To make these fire up?
Oh, you're right. And what would that be?
Our vinegar.
He's right. We need our vinegar. Now, before we pour our vinegar in here, remember, the baking soda is our base. The vinegar is our liquid. We're about to pour our liquid matter into our base matter. The chemical reaction between the acid of the vinegar and the base of the baking powder will create carbon dioxide. changing our solid matter and our liquid matter into gas matter. You guys ready?
Yep.
Pour away. Look at the blue. The purple's coming down the back.
Same with the green.
Same with the green.
So the vinegar would be the activator of this?
Yes. So you see the bubbles? That's the gas. And that is how you use a chemical reaction to change the state of matter.